Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to add flush text in Bambu Studio. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. First thing we do is choose the shape we want and scale it. Once that's done, all we have to do is select the object and look for the T icon. Or you can just select the object and press the letter T on your keyboard. Next, add the text you want. You can change the font and the size. There's also one important setting, the mode. By default, it's set to surround surface, but since we're working on a sphere, you should change it to surround plus horizontal so the text follows the shape correctly. And don't forget to change the operation to modifier. After that, we can head over to the Preview tab to see exactly how our text is going to look in the layers. As you can see here in the layers, the text is perfectly integrated into our object without adding any thickness or extra geometry. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on tricks like this. See you in the next video.